Hi, this is Jake Hartline, and today we are going to be exploring and learning how to use Buffer. Buffer is a social media management platform that allows you to keep your social media accounts organized by scheduling your posts. Want to see how it works? Great, let's get started. After logging in, this is the page that will appear on your screen. On the left sidebar, you can see your social media accounts that are connected to Buffer. Right now, I have my LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook accounts connected. To connect social media accounts, you can simply click on the plus icon. This will take you to this page that shows you the various social media platforms you can connect. Now, let's check out the queue. This is where you develop the posts that you want posted on your social media accounts. I have one post scheduled for LinkedIn and one for Twitter. As you can see, you can delete, edit, move a post to the top of your queue, or click Share Now to post right away. On the Posts tab, you can see all of the posts that have been posted on your social media accounts through Buffer. Now, let's learn how to schedule your posts. Go to Settings, and then Posting Schedule. Now here, first, you want to make sure you set the appropriate time zone. Right now, I'm on the East Coast. Next, you want to add a new posting time. Let's do Friday at 8 o'clock p.m. Now we're going to add posting time, and that new posting time will be added to your weekly timeline. So right here, now, if you turn on the day, the posts in your queue will automatically be posted at the times listed for that day. In this case, it's 8 and 8:30 p.m. Again, notice how we are scheduling to post for LinkedIn. If you want to schedule for Twitter, make sure to click on Twitter account on the sidebar. Also, keep in mind that the posts at the top of your queue will be the first to be posted at the scheduled time. Now, let's add some posts to the queue for LinkedIn and Twitter. I'm going to go to my Feedly account to find some articles that I want to post. Over here, I have my LinkedIn and Twitter boards full of articles I want to share. Now these posts have been added to my queue and are now ready to be posted on my LinkedIn and Twitter accounts as scheduled. So that's Buffer. To recap, we went over how to connect your social media accounts to Buffer, how to add posts into the queue, and how to schedule posts in the queue to be posted on your social media accounts. Hope you decide to take advantage of this great tool. This has been Jake Hartline. Thanks for watching.